So as soon as we get all that set up, we're still waiting for some cabinet secretaries who are on the working group to get confirmed. So we're still in the very early stages of this. But that's one of the first things we're gonna look at is the feasibility.
Big news just dropped. The US government is officially looking into a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Yes, you heard that right. And that's not all. Trump's administration is also pushing stablecoin legislation and a sovereign wealth fund. This could be a game changer for crypto. So what does this mean for Bitcoin, stablecoins, and the global financial system? Let's break it all down.
The things that the president instructed us to do was to evaluate the idea for a Bitcoin reserve, and so that is one of the things. That's one of the first things we're going to look at as part of the internal working group in the administration. So as soon as we get all that set up, we're still waiting for some cabinet secretaries who are on the working group to get confirmed. So we're still in the very early stages of this. But that's one of the first things we're gonna look at is the feasibility of a Bitcoin reserve.
President Trump's administration is forming a high-level working group led by crypto advocate David Sachs to explore the feasibility of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, SPR. And here's the crazy part. This working group has just 80 days to deliver results. Right now, El Salvador and Bhutan are the only two countries with a Bitcoin reserve, but that could change fast. Nations like Brazil, Germany, Japan, and even Russia are exploring similar strategies. The US jumping in would be huge for Bitcoin adoption. But wait, there's more. Stablecoins are also. The US is working on a regulatory framework that could make stablecoins the key to maintaining dollar dominance in global finance. Why does this matter? Because stablecoin issuers buy US treasuries, increasing demand for the dollar and keeping interest rates lower. This is exactly what Trump wants, to make the US dollar the king of digital payments. And guess what? Networks like Ripple, Solana, and Sue could see massive growth if this regulation passes. And finally, the biggest move yet, a sovereign wealth fund, SWF, for the US. Think of it as a national investment portfolio holding assets like stocks, real estate, and yes, potentially Bitcoin. Texas and Alaska already have state-level funds, but a federal sovereign wealth fund would be unprecedented. If Bitcoin is included, it could reshape global finance forever. The US government stepping into Bitcoin and stablecoins. This could be the start of the biggest financial shift in history. What do you think? Will the US actually adopt a Bitcoin reserve? Will stablecoins change the game for the dollar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.